Hi guys! Welcome to my channel! In today's video, tuturuan ko kayo on how to transfer your money from your BPI account to your Gcash account. And kung gusto nyo pa ng mga video tutorial para ma-notify kayo sa mga susunod na video tutorial ko, just click the bell button and don't forget to subscribe. Let's watch this. Sorry guys kung mahaba ang intro. Ito na talaga. In this video, I can teach you on how to transfer money from BPI account to Gcash account. First, open your BPI Online account and Gcash account. Then step 1, log into to your BPI mobile app. Then step 2, open your Gcash account and log in your MPIN or your password to your Gcash account. As you can see, my available balance is 1 pesos only. At mamaya guys, makikita nyo na magbabago siya talaga kapag na-transfer na yung money from my BPI account to my Gcash account. Watch until the end, guys. Then step 3, log into your BPI mobile app. Enter your username and password. As you can see, my savings account is 3,256.06. If I transfer money from my BPI account to my Gcash account, it will change. Watch until the end, guys. Then click the arrow, the 3 line above. Then go to Payments load. Click the payments /load. Then click the load e-wallet, kung saan makikita nyo yung details na i-fill up nyo para ma-transfer yung money from your BPI account to your Gcash account. Then click the load from. Or ito yung kung saan kukunin yung pera na ito-transfer nyo. Just click. As you can see, it is my savings account. Sa savings account, kukuhain yung pera na ita-transfer to Gcash account. Then, click the Gcash account. As you can see, naka-indicate na yung Gcash. Then, type your reference number or yung mobile number na ginamit nyo sa Gcash account. Then, enter your amount na ita-transfer nyo sa Gcash account. Ako kasi guys, nagno-notes talaga ako every time na tina-transfer ko yung money from my BPI account to my Gcash account. Nasa inyo naman yun kung mag-notes kayo or hindi. Okay lang naman yun. Then, before you click next, i-check nyo muna yung lahat ng details. Pero, dun sa nilagay ko na 90 pesos, hindi pala siya pwede guys kasi ang minimum nila na pwede mong i-transfer from your BPI account to your Gcash account is 300 pesos only. Yun na yung pinakamababa guys. Then, check your details before you proceed the next. As you can see, my 300 pesos is accepted. Yes. Check your details before you click next. Then, dun sa number nyo, sa BPI number nyo na ginagamit, merong lalabas na ganyan. It is called BPI one-time PIN. Doon nila ibibigay kung ano yung one-time PIN nyo na i-encode dito. Yan. Ito na yung pinaka-final. Bago nyo i-click to guys, make sure nyo na tama lahat ng details. Yan. Successful na siya guys. Then, tignan naman natin kung ta-transfer talaga siya sa Gcash account. Before nun guys, check nyo muna yung available balance na meron kayo kung nabawasan ba talaga o hindi. Then, Step 4, check your Gcash account if the money from your BPI account is already transferred to your Gcash account. Yes, that's right, 301 pesos. As you can see, nagbago siya guys. From 1 pesos only, naging 301 pesos. Dahil nadagdagan siya. Kaya naging 301 pesos. Ang tips ko lang sa inyo guys, bago kayo maka-receive ng money from your BPI account, i-make sure nyo na yung Gcash account nyo is fully verified. Kasi kung hindi siya fully verified guys, hindi rin makakapag-transfer yung BPI nyo sa Gcash account nyo. Then, ang gagawin nyo lang, ililink nyo yung BPI account nyo. Kapag nilink nyo yan guys, nandyan naman yung mga details na i-enter nyo yung account number nyo sa BPI. Hindi na lumalabas yun sa akin kasi guys, it's already linked into my Gcash account. Yes, successful siya guys. Naging 301 pesos. Thank you for watching. For more tutorial video, make sure nyo na i-click mo ang subscribe, like, and then comment. Thank you for watching.